Hello traders, FX Pip Collector here. Today is Thursday, March 21st, and I'm going to be analyzing the Euro Yen, starting on the monthly, working my way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full top-down analysis. So on the Euro Yen, I actually still think this is a 1, 2, 3. I do think there is a subdivision in here of the wave 3, like a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of 3, but I still don't even think the wave 3 is over, and even when the wave 3 is over, I think it needs to make a wave 4 and a wave 5. So I personally think there's going to be a long time before this trend is actually over. So going down to the weekly time frame, this is where you can start to see that subdivision. This is the main wave 1 and the main wave 2. Then you can see a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of wave 3. So at this point, I don't think this is over. I think it's at least going to go up to the 223.6, which is above the 168 area. So definitely still bullish until proven otherwise, which we definitely have not been proven otherwise yet. Going down to the daily time frame, the only thing that's really important for me to notice, is that this is making higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows. Until I see a break of that sequence of higher highs, higher lows, I am definitely looking for longs on shorter time frames and longs only. Going down to the 4 hour time frame. On the 4 hour time frame, since the last ABC correction ended right here, it's very, very clearly a 1, 2, 3. I don't even see a break of structure for the wave 3. I mean, this trend could just keep on going. Until I see a break of structure to the downside, I'm definitely trading to the long side. And even when I see a break of structure, I think it's just going to be a wave 4 and a wave 5. Potentially just a subdivision of a much larger uptrend also. So definitely trading with the trend, that's for sure. Going down to the 1 hour time frame. Even on the 1 hour time frame, we do not have a break of structure to the downside. I think that this move right here could even be a correction and it could just keep on going up. I am definitely doing absolutely nothing by going long at the end of every single pullback I see, no matter what I see on this 1 hour time frame. I am following my roadmap time frames to higher time frames, and until these roadmap higher time frames tell me that this thing is not in an uptrend, which it definitely has not done so yet, I will continue to do nothing but look for longs at the end of every single pullback I see on these shorter time frames until the higher time frames tell me otherwise. So don't forget to check out my free Discord channel linked in the card up here above, and don't forget to check out my new website linked down here in the corner. As always, thanks and happy trading.